In today's guitar tutorial, we're going to go over the Johnny Cash style train rhythm that you hear on songs like Folsom Prison. It's going to sound like this. Now, we're not going to go over the whole song. We just want to talk about this right hand and the left hand and how you get what we call this train rhythm. And this is cool because I got a request from one of our members asking a little bit more specific details on how I do it. Now, we're going to use the F chord here. Well, one, because Folsom Prison is in the key of F. Some guys will play in the key of E, and that actually sounds good too, but we're going to use the key of F because this bar chord is going to help us get that train rhythm a little bit easier. So what's happening here, if I slow it down a little bit, it's going to sound like this. So two things are happening. You're having a bass note that's going between, and those are just on the downbeat, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you that in a second. And then in between it, you have this. All right, so what's happening here is you're going to start with hitting the 6th string first fret. This is your F. And you're going to have 2 down up with a muted strum, like this. So it's going to go 1 E and. And that's really the key of it. Now, how am I getting this mute, this down up mute? Well, first thing is you want to take your right hand, this is your strumming hand, and you're going to take the side of your palm here, and right before you strum, you're going to place it right on the strings. And by doing that, it's going to get this muted sound. So it's unmuted for the bass and then muted for the down and the upstroke. Now, this is a right hand mute. This will take a little bit of time if you haven't practiced it a lot, but you can also help by also doing a left hand mute. Because we're doing a bar chord while I'm in the key of F, if I just take the pressure off the chord, notice I'm not muting with my right hand, but you have a mute here as well, simply by releasing the pressure here on your left hand. So it's almost like a double mute. You're almost doing both of them. Either one would be fine by itself, but this one will help you kind of ensure that you really get it. So again, it's bass, down, up, strum. Now let me show you this right hand strum again. I'm going to change my angle here a little bit. So check out my right hand here. I hit the bass note and it's literally palm hits the strings first, and then the pick comes after it, and then upstroke. So. And that's what happens. Now, it sounds a lot cooler when it's faster, but you want to practice it slow before you want to speed it up. All right, so you hit that. Then, on beat 2, you're going to hit the bass note that's here on the 5th string, 3rd fret. That's your C note, or the 5th of the chord. And then you're going to do the same thing. So hit the bass note, and then down, up, mute. So 6th string, 5th string, and then 6th string, 5th string. Let's just do it a little bit, just on the F chord. 2, 3, and. And that's it. And then, because this is a blues in the key of F, you would just apply it to the other chords, the B flat chord and the C7 chord. So, but that's it. There's your train rhythm. Practice it slowly, build the tempo up. Let me take you out. I'm going to play it one time through. So that's going to do it for your train style, your Johnny Cash Folsom Prison Blues. Hope you enjoyed it. It's cool stuff. I love it. And that's going to do it for today. And we'll see you next time.